Using Revolut in the USA is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances efficiently. To get started, you need to download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, sign up for an account by providing your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. After signing up, you will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and a selfie. This is a standard security measure to ensure the safety of your account. Once you have verified your identity, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is that it allows you to hold and exchange multiple currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. You can also use the app to send and receive money internationally, with competitive exchange rates and low fees. Additionally, Revolut offers a range of budgeting and analytics tools to help you track your spending and stay on top of your finances. To use Revolut for everyday transactions, you can order a physical debit card or use the virtual card in the app. The debit card can be used to make purchases online or in store, and you can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs when using the debit card. You can choose to spend in the local currency or exchange your money to the local currency at the current exchange rate. To get the best out of Revolut, it is essential to understand the fees associated with using the app. Revolut offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan and several paid plans with additional features. The paid plans offer benefits such as unlimited exchange, higher ATM withdrawal limits, and travel insurance. In terms of security, Revolut takes the safety of your account seriously, with features such as two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud protection. You can also freeze your debit card in the app if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card. Overall, using Revolut in the USA is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances, with a range of features and benefits that can help you save money and stay on top of your spending. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and features of the app, you can get the most out of Revolut and enjoy a hassle-free banking experience.